So another Fiesta. It was in for alternator belt, but got all the sadness. So she's all pink in there. You can see all the pink. So it's been leaking. Oh well, it's all down the bottom down there. It's all kind of sad. But we can see this is actually adhered to this. I had to take it out in the one go. Can't separate. It's well bonded together. So it is. For the end of the world. So we'll crack on now. This little Fiesta pump off. You can see why you need to change the belt. It's a good idea of them to make the water pump external. That's always a good shout, and that way you don't need to change your timing belt if you need a water pump. But they decided that they were going to put the tensioner on there. What a brilliant idea. So there we go, that's why we're doing this belt. So it was all leaking, coolant, but what we had it in for was the auxiliary belt had snapped. So we were going to do it, and the pump is turning, but probably locked up into it, and that's why it's snapped the belt. There's nothing else is untoward with it, so yeah, definitely leaking in there. So time belt water pump all off that. Water pump's down there, it's all sorts of sad, it's all busted. So we'll get a new belt, got a new belt kit, comes with a new belt, new bolts, new hardware, and a new gasket in there as well, and a new tensioner. We got a new tensioner, and else in there. That's us, new tensioner, new water pump, new gasket, and a new belt as well, of course. So we'll get all that fired on. That's all clean. We'll get a wee clean up again, just make sure it's okay. All good there. We'll check all that timing. I've marked it and locked it with an improvised device. Was in a bit of a rush, so that's how I've done it. I think that'll be okay. So we'll just pull the pin, check it's on the belt underneath. It seems to be all good down there. So I'll just nip that up the hand, as you can see. We'll read the instructions first actually, just in case you need to tighten that and then pull the pin, but probably just pull the pin and then tighten it up in the position to stop, but we'll just confirm. Yes, it's not really telling us there. It says ensure the camshaft gear wheels can rotate freely, all good. Fit the timing belt anti-clockwise, all good. Always do it, always go with the slack at the tensioner side if that's the way the tensioner is on that side, which it is on this engine. And it just says remove the tensioner locking tool, so not quite sure there. So we'll just pull the pin, tighten it up. So there's everything you need, man. Windows 10 laptop, big old Dell Maxis, 10 milli, sorted. There's a 12 milli, we need that. So what we shall do, see if we can get a flash out, there we go, a bit of flash. Right, so belt's all on, it's not very few left. I did have to go and get the kids. I have tried leaving them at school, they won't keep them, they just won't. Right, so that's that tension, the auto tension, we had that taut anyway, so I will just give it a little tighten up now, and I'll check the torque on it. But aye, so didn't really tell us, so just going with how we normally do it. And my torch, I've obviously left that on when I left, so we'll put that on charge also and get the other one, get the backup. So we have did the timing belt and water pump. You can see the remnants of it. I've got some thing down there. So we've got our new old new coolant to put in it, sorry, old coolant in the tub, old crap pump belt there. But I've just inspected the vehicle and I'm suspecting the same as the little Fiesta I checked the other day. Oh yeah, something, the track wheel end actually it is. So the track wheel end is absolutely hanging off. I've not driven the car was brought to me. I followed the customer followed me here. So that is pretty severe. If that was in for an MOT, that'd be a dangerous defect right away. So, and I couldn't confirm nor deny that ball joint had any play in it at the minute because of how bad that is. So yeah, that's really wanting attention immediately. Okay, both of them. That one as well. You can actually hear it. so I'm going to imagine it's making a noise in the car. Again, I couldn't confirm that the ball joint wasn't away there. Other things that go in these cars, it looks like it's got a set of poly bushes in. The axle bushes, they're well known for going, and our outer sills are known on them as well. Exhaust system is rather crusted looking. I don't think that's going to see at the end of the year, this one. And it could be doing with 2 front tyres, so it needs 2 track rod ends and 2 front tyres. You see the wheel nuts are going the way those lovely Ford ones go. Where they... Oh, actually somebody's changed one of them, so that's a different nut to what's meant to be on it. The rear tyres are not looking the best either, to be honest with you. 2017. Not sure what age the car is. This one looks not too bad. Land sale, so no, that's a new tyre, 2020. Land sale's probably something to get for $2 or something around about here. So what is that one? But a Davante, that one's probably been on it for a while if it's 2017. Still got its original brake pipes back, so it's not too bad. And the original looks good as well. Springs are intact, so but it really could be doing with 2 track rod ends as soon as possible. So we'll get new coolant in it now, get it all bled up. I have already fired it up, I know it's running, so we did spin the engine as well by hand. You've seen I didn't take the rocker cover off this one. I actually had Police Scotland in earlier on to deal with this hacking situation, so I was a bit behind. I do have the tools in my toolbox for it, to be honest with you. I just did the race car style, you know, like you're at the racetrack. Bit of Tipex, can't go wrong with these wee things, to be honest with you. I did just put a wee stopper just in case the cams did spin, but I've done these before without doing it the long way, shall we say, or the right way. I mean, you might take the cover off it. So these are stretchy belts, so that's a new belt on, so we did have a wee fight with that. You know what I don't like. I don't put attention on them, I really don't. So we'll actually fire this up just now for the first time with the new belt on it. And we'll see. Put this in my toolbox now and I'll fix all that crap later. So I have had it running. But I don't know what it's going to sound like, this new belt. And everything's all sticky because the pump's been leaking for God knows how long. Oh God, stop! Alright, okay, right, time for the boost. Time for a wee boost. Right, so, take 2. Let's try again. Sounds better, had the fuel pump going. That's better. Oh, the battery light's still on. Hopefully in a minute comes back to life. We'll just take that off. Get the alternator going. You see I've put the bottle back in now. I tightened the bolts back, I tightened the pulley bolts up underneath just because you can see that Stevie Kearney's. That's how long I've had that Stevie Kearney Honda Accord Type R, don't touch it, which obviously it was a Honda Accord Type R. It's no longer a Honda Accord Type R, it's just Honda Accord Type R bits, which are all over there. Everything for it. The Type R sadly is in the scrap heap. It was the worst, most rotted car I've ever seen. Happy days. Battery lights out then, charge lights out. So we'll just get some coolant in it now. Sounds all good, We get new pulley bolt in the crank as well. So a new poly V belt, stretch belt, auxiliary belt, whatever you want to call it. And unlike the 57 plate race car machine we had in the other day, none of the pipes are broke on this one. I mean, there's Goodyear on that power steering, that air con hose there, which we did have a bit of fight getting this out of here without degassing it and taking that pipe out the road, but I could have taken that nut out, but that's not coming out. That's not coming out today. No chance. So you can get it out. Okay, you can get it out. You just need to be careful, you know, busting in, or work that nut back and forward and you maybe get that more on it, you know what I mean? But I'm not touching that now, so we'll get coolant in it, we'll get it off the ramp, we'll get it a run around the block, make sure it's all good, well, got all up to temp, and then she'll be on her way on her holiday, this little car. To Montrose. There you go, she's going up the way. I think, Montrose. Alright, Montrose it's going, I think that's where it's going. I'm sure it was Montrose they said, so hopefully there's no more issues with the wee car. And they can get away their holiday. I have worked late to make sure they get there, so they better have a good time now. Oh, she's knocking, but she's driving okay after her new 10 belt water pump.